So behind me is my M2, and in my M2 I run a Escort radar detector, and for the whole lifetime of this car, I've had it on the Escort Easy Mount. Not anymore. This right here is a BlendMount. I've been wanting to buy a BlendMount for the longest time now, and I finally ended up just buying one after the Easy Mount ended up falling off my window, dangling from the small cord that I have on my mirror. I'll show you how that's set up. But finally went ahead, bought one. Figured I would need it, and it would clean things up a lot. So this is how it comes. So this is currently how I have my radar detector. It is the MaxCam 360C. I'll do a review on this in a little bit, but this location, I like it. It's out of the way. The only downfall is I don't have a sun visor all the way. So the MaxCam will tuck it up right here. I hate this little thing on my car, but it is what it is. Kind of wish it was like the Supras, but it's not. So changing that today. All right, now that we're back in here, I just got the bracket out of the car, the Easy Mount. Let's go ahead and cut it open. So basically taking everything off of this. And putting it on the other clamp. That's pretty much it right there. That's all it is. Nice little mount. I still like it right here because that's how much view I have. 2 inches less room below my mirror. And I thought it would sit higher up than that, but should be good. So should be a little quick video how to install a BlendMount. I'll do a review on my MaxCam 360C here in a little bit. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like. If you want to see more stuff like this, let me know in the comments, and feel free to subscribe. Thank you.